Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Today we're going to be making light, fluffy vegan pancakes. Today's ingredients are soya milk, salt, baking powder, coconut oil, maple syrup, plain flour and some frozen berries. Firstly, we're going to add a cup of plain flour to the sieve, and then to that we're going to add a tablespoon of baking powder, after which we're going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to sieve that through the sieve because we obviously want the pancakes to be light and fluffy. We're going to put our dry ingredients to one side, then in a jug we're going to put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and also 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Then we're going to put in 200 milliliters of soya milk. Once we've done that, we're going to get a whisk and we're going to whisk it together really well until the coconut oil has dissolved. Once your liquid mixture is ready, we're then going to add that slowly to the dry ingredients, and we're going to start to whisk that together until it forms a smooth batter with no lumps. Once the batter is nice and smooth, we're going to put that to one side to allow the baking powder to activate within it. And then we're going to put our berries into a saucepan, and we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar to that. Now that we've got our ingredients in the saucepan, we're going to just give that a quick stir. We're not adding any water because the berries will create their own sauce, and we're going to allow this to cook on a very low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now going to start cooking our pancakes. We're going to take a ladle and place that on the pan, just making nice small pancakes, and we're going to allow them to cook on either side for about 2 minutes. And we know that they're cooking when we see little air pockets starting to, form on top of the pancake. Once we've finished cooking our pancakes, we're going to stack them, and then we're going to put our berry mixture over them, letting that just fall over the edges. And oh, that is such a delicious breakfast, satisfying, keeping you full right up until lunchtime. Thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and be sure to tag us if you use any of the recipes. And remember to like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below what videos you'd like to see next. And remember, follow us on our other social media platforms. See you next Thursday. Bye. Recipes in the description box below.